guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a video, oh, camera's a little bit, okay. I just wanted to do a video on quarantine tips on how to stay productive and stay on task and not like get distracted on Netflix and all that, because I know it is so easy to do. So I'm here to give you my tips for how I've been staying productive and on track each day. So to start, make a to-do list. So each night before the work week starts, or each night before bed, I will make a to-do list for the next day. I'll label it, date at the top, and at least 5 things to do. If I'm feeling like, you know, really tired that night, I'll be like, I don't want to give myself too much for tomorrow because I know it won't get done. You want to be reasonable with yourself and write down things that you think that you can do. So that is my number 1 tip. What I use to do that is this monthly and weekly planner. I just actually got all my things from college, so it's not really written in, but I'm trying to show you. It has like a month calendar, and then if you flip, it gives you like day by day. So, okay, there. So you can write in it the night before and, you know, cross it out. It's straight lines. I love it. I love crossing things out. It's really satisfying. So that is step 1, night before. The next things that I want to talk about are things that I do as my morning routine during quarantine. So I would say the first few weeks of like being at home, I was like, this is great. I'll stay in my pajamas all day. And then I realized I'm like playing video games, watching YouTube videos all day long. And I'm like, I need to, you know, homework, like work. I need to get things done. How am I going to do this? So I was like, why don't I act like, you know, I'm still going to work? So I wake up each morning, I brush my teeth, I brush my hair, and I put on clothes. Now, I know a lot of you girls out there are like, oh my God, do you put on a bra? Yes. If I don't, I feel like everything's flying around and can't get my work done. Like, no, you need that support. Support your boobies and support yourself. Yes. So, anyways, put on a bra, put on your clothes, like, get ready as if you're going into the office, and it will really help you stay on task. Along with that, drink some tea or drink some coffee, get some caffeine going to keep you going throughout the day. So once you have your caffeine in you and you're ready to go, I recommend going on your phone on the Instagram app if you are addicted like me. And there's a little thing that you can do in the settings where you can limit the time that you stay on the app. I'm not sure, I haven't looked into it enough to know if you can like limit it like Monday through Friday, stay on it this long, but I limit it myself to 45 minutes per day. I know I could sit on there like 5 hours or more, so I wanted to limit myself to 45 minutes so I can hop on and check and like not just sit on there all day, because that would keep me distracted from the work that needs to be done. The next thing is kind of obvious, but you know what? I'll say it. I'm stuck to my chair. I'll say it anyways. Get yourself a quiet personal spot and just do it. Like, do your Zoom call, be in a quiet space. If you can't, get your headphones in, do it. Like, you got this. Like, you can do it. You just need to tell yourself that. Because if you're going in there like, I'm so tired, I don't want to do it. No, you're going to do it all. Like, you got this. Like, don't even doubt yourself for a second, because that will ruin your day. You need to wake up. I have so much to do today. Let me make my list. Let me drink my coffee and let me get to work. So, you know, you got your Zoom calls, you got everything. Go outside. If it's raining, maybe don't go outside. But if it's a nice day, step outside and breathe the fresh air. I know for some of us who live close to people, it's hard, but at least crack a window, like get some fresh air. It can really help you feel better, and breathing fresh air can make you feel like 10 times better. So I recommend doing that. I live in a place where I'm lucky enough I'm able to like step outside of my deck. So I sit out there and do work sometimes for a little bit with my laptop, and I feel like it's really beneficial. I wanted to touch upon something that we should all be doing, self-care. So this is after your work hours, you know, maybe after 5 p.m. you eat dinner and then you're like, I don't know what to do. Do whatever you need to do at this time. Like, take 5 p.m. to your bedtime and like watch YouTube videos, paint your nails. These look disgusting, have to fix them. Like, take a shower, do a face mask, anything. Like, draw, paint, color, spend time with your kids, spend time with your family. Like, just do something for yourself after work hours. You have to limit yourself. Like, you can't be a workaholic. I am like speaking to myself right now because I can sit on my phone all day, like doing things for work. Like, I'm not sure why, but I'm just like addicted to, I am a marketing major, so I'm like addicted to like social media, like I said, and I just love it. But you know, I really need to find that time, like, hey, you're getting paid for these many hours, like you can go above and beyond, but not every day in your free time. So I'm not sure if these were super like out of the box, but I hope they are helpful to you guys because they're helpful to me. And if you guys have any self-care tips / quarantine productivity tips, please leave them in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like this video, and I will be posting more beauty and hair tutorials soon. Bye guys.